Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rema Graphics YouTube channel where I drop tips for your everyday life as a graphic designer. In today's video, we are going to be looking at how to insert images into shapes like how you are seeing it right now on your screen. I'm just going to teach you how you can actually insert these images into screens, because when designing, doing these are really helpful. They actually help in making good designs. So you might be wondering, you might have been seeing it on Facebook posts everywhere, and then you are wondering, how can I insert shapes into images? I'm here to assure you that it's a very easy process, and by the end of this video you will be able to do it by yourself in your Pixellab. So without further ado, let's begin. The first thing you want to do is to import your shape. You just click on shapes right here, and then you can size it down to how you want it. So the next thing you want to do is to go over to texture, and then you click on the gallery icon. This is where you'll be picking picture from in your gallery. You navigate to the picture and then you pick it. Now when you get to the picture, I made a square, so I'm just going to click on this square cropping. So it's going to crop it into a square for me to avoid any malfunction, so it will come out clean. And I'm just going to click on this checkbox, and then my image is already inserted. So now if you want to make any adjustment, maybe you want some parts not to show, you can just go over to the texture and pick the image again, and then you're going to do something with the cropping. You can just, if I want the head to show only the head, I'm just going to do it like this, and it's only the head that will show. So that is basically how to insert images into shape. It's that easy. So thank you guys for watching. I advise you to subscribe if you have not subscribed, like this video if it was helpful, comment down, and don't forget to share to someone who might need it. Also don't forget to comment anything you want me to do a Pixellab tutorial on in my next video, and I'm going to do that video. So guys, thanks for watching. See you all in the next video. Bye.